Alright guys, so welcome to today's video guys. So this is going to be the official launch for the Robinhood $50 options trading challenge guys. So this is going to be the official launch. I'm going to walk you through exactly the trades that I'm taking, the strategies that I'm doing, the tools that I'm going to be using to place those kind of trades, and that you guys can follow along. And also in this video I'm going to be going over the trades that I've made for the past week. Even though I started this challenge like a month ago, I wasn't able to make a video about that because I was kind of super busy with a lot of different things. And I'm also going to be making an updated video about the paper trading challenge that we started within this channel. I'm going to walk you through guys exactly the rankings, how can you sign up, and everybody that signs up gets a reward, and the special prize, of course, if you win it, you get an extra prize. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to sign up for that too. And I'm also going to update you guys about the 5 stocks that we talked about in October. And that's about it guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like the video. Now let's go right into the video guys. Alright guys, so as you can see right over here on my portfolio, for the week we are up 48.61%, $15. However, we had a really rough week. I had a really rough week. In the past, I'm going to make another video talking about exactly what trades that I put and what place, what kind of situation kind of put me in this kind of to be down to $20 and how I was able to come up with it. I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to come back and make all the profits back. But I'm going to make a video about how this entire thing happened, because I was close to I was up like $90 and things like that in the past month when I started it. And but I placed a few trades, some mishaps, but that's going to be another video explaining about exactly how you can be able to do credit spreads and debit spreads if you kind of place buy on one leg, call, and then turn it into a credit spread or debit spread, how you can execute those trades on Robinhood, because it's kind of complicated when you kind of do those things at the same time. But let me just go back to this week and walk you through exactly how I was able to come back to for today, which was I'm up like 59% right now for today. So what I did basically was, once I was down to $20, I was able to kind of figure out what is the perfect trade that I can take that's going to not put my account at risk. So I just kind of identified, and instead of just, when you're in this kind of situation, it's kind of more likely to just buy a call, buy a put to make the money back really quickly. That's what a lot of people kind of do, because you're in a tight situation. You just want to bet it all in and just like one call or put and do the other way. But if you kind of get more experience, or you kind of have this kind of experience in the past too, you kind of want to preserve and then just kind of like block those urges to just throw all of it in something and just wish for something to happen. So instead, kind of calculate everything and make a very good idea for the trade to come back. So I was able to do that mainly because of the news that we had coming up with China and the US, and the market volatility was just definitely going to be there. So I saw the opportunity with the market's definitely going to make a move to the upside, to the downside. So I positioned myself in a way that I'm going to profit. Either the market goes up, the market goes down, deal or no deal, I'm going to have some of the my funds back. I'm going to make profits off of either of those moves. So what I did was I kind of calculated the percentage, what the spy might go to the up or to the downside, and I bought a call credits. I bought a debit spread and a put spread on SPY, on the SPY. So today, when the market gapped up to 296, I had a 295 and 295.50 a debit spread, with those two contracts, and I was up more than 100-something%. And I also told you guys I got a debit spread. I got a put debit spread, so I got that for the downside in case it goes down. So I got a 288 for that. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about instead of me trying to talk about it. But as you can see over here, the trades that I've gotten, let me just scroll down, we'll see. So yeah, the 288 put and the 280.50, they're going to expire. There's going to be zero, because that was protecting my downside. If the market gapped down, this was going to make me money, but it didn't. It went up, so the 250 actually made me money. I actually placed a few day trades today, but I'm going to show you guys what I placed this morning. So what I closed it at 40. Yeah, so this was the one that made me profit. So I got the 295.50 and the 295, you know, so it got filled. I bought the 295.50 and then I sold the 290.50. So that was, you know, my plan to capitalize if the stock, you know, if the SPY, if there's a trade deal, it gaps up, that's what I'm gonna do. This worked out perfectly. I was up 150 or something percent. I locked in, my downside is protected. The other, you know, contract, the put debit spread went to 0. This one made 100%, and I was able to just collect the profit and make that make a comeback, you know. So that is exactly what happened for this week. So we were back on to 48, basically the account that we started it, you know, $50. So we're just gonna continue, guys, and look for great opportunities. And, you know, now let me walk you through exactly what to do. If you have any questions about, you know, debit spreads and calls, credit spreads, and calls and puts and stuff, I'm gonna make another video about it. But this is just an update for the first video for, you know, this challenge that we're about to do. So we were back on our feet, even though we were down, you know, almost 60% of that account. So make sure if you're in the situation to kind of figure out and come up with a solid idea to protect your downside and guarantee your upside, you know, come up with that kind of trade idea. So now let me walk you through, guys, to, you know, the penny stocks that we had on my watch list. If you guys watched the October watch list that I've created, we're watching ETON, FOMX, MLNT, CNCE, ADVM. So none of them did kind of move, but ETON is going to the upside. We're looking on that. MLNT also made it move a little bit. ADVM also made a little move, and we're just watching it right now. And now let me walk you guys to the paper trading, you know, competition that we did on Market Watch. So if you guys want to sign up for that, you know, you guys can go ahead, and all you got to do is just go to Market Watch, sign in. There's no fees, for free. Anybody can sign up, and just go to virtual. You go over here. After you log in, you go to virtual stock exchange. It's going to take you to that, and here's the game that you want to look for. Is called Informed Trades. There's going to be a link in the description box below. It's going to end in the 3rd, 13, 2020. So March 13th is going to end. We have so far 5 people, I think 6 people in it, and they're crushing it. Especially the first guy. Let me see the ranking. This is my portfolio. I did not place that much trades on this account that much, but Israel is crushing it. He already made $5,300. We started with $5,000. I'm actually down like $1,000, and you know, Jalen and Ethan and Colin, you know, they're doing a super good job. So if you want to sign up, if you want to, you know, participate, you get a prize for just participating in it. Everybody's a winner here, and if you get first place, you will get a special prize just for participating. So let me walk you through my portfolio. What am I holding? So I'm holding all of the penny stocks that I talked about on the videos. Then for October, I have, you know, ETON, CNCE, ADVM, MLNT, FOMX. I got you know, all the stocks that I'm talking about. I'm kind of anticipating move to the upside, to the downside. So I'm holding you know, I'm holding a buy. I'm shorting it. I'm buying it, shorting it. So once the news comes out, if it's bad, I'm gonna close. You know, if either gaps up or gaps down, I'm gonna close it and let the other one run. So that's my strategy for this specific, you know, paper trading competition. You know, so I'm gonna be trading those penny stocks that I talk about on my video. So if you guys want to sign up, there's gonna be a link in the description box below. If you want to follow along with the competition, if you have any questions about it, I'm gonna be making another video talking about how to do credit spreads and debit spreads, and how I was able to, you know, place trades with Robinhood, you know, manually, because I had some issues in the, you know, I had some issues with it, like basically, because I was up like 90%. I was up 90% with it initially, but I had some issues kind of executing some of the trades, and nobody didn't know how to do it. Even though I went on different Discords and asked them things like that, they didn't know how to do it. So I had to contact the customer service to kind of customer service from Robinhood to help me out close those positions. So You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna make a video about that, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying this challenge. If you want to join, you come back, join us. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. And let me know what you think, guys. Just follow along, baby.